for excavating a free service. Today, we're working on taking out some big trees and pulling some big stumps. So we have it behind us, big excavator to get the job done. So follow along as we work on this project today.
Here we're chipping up all the slash from the trees that we've cut down. It's running through the chipper, making quite a chip pile. Here I'm lifting the stump out and shaking the dirt off to lighten it up a little bit. This is a tree that just fell, and there's the big root ball from it. Here I'm pushing over another pine tree. These pine trees pushed over fairly easily, though the big ones took a little work. It makes it a lot easier to pull the stumps out if the pine trees are pushed over rather than cut them down and try to dig the stumps out. And there it goes. Here I'm lifting the root ball out of the ground to make it easier to cut the tree off. And that wraps up our day. We took down a dozen large trees and finished that part of the project. So come join us on our next video as we continue with this project.